Good afternoon, Sing Sang Tai Tai Leho. My name is Frances Marie. I'm 30 years old. I am from Abra, Philippines. I am married. I have 3 sons, 12 years old, 10 years old, and 9 years old. I have 1 daughter, 2 years old. I am a high school graduate. My hobbies are singing and cooking, and I am a pet lover. I have 1 dog and 1 cat. My expertise are taking care of the children and elderly. I work as a domestic helper in Hong Kong for 2 years, from February 19, 2019 to August 7, 2022. I serve 1 couple and 1 children, 2 years old boy. My duties are taking care of the children and household chores like cooking, cleaning, ironing, and laundry, also marketing. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn and save money for my family and for the future of my children. I'm willing to take good care of the elderly and newborn baby. I can sing nursery like wheel on the bus go round and round, round and round. So my future employer, mom and sir, please choose me as your housemaid because I'm hardworking and honest, kind and obedient. I promise to be a good housemaid, and I promise to prioritize my job and finish my 2 years contract or more. Thank you, mom and sir. And I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.